This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 272 VRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 31 feet 6 inches in length and features a chocolate interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, stovetop burner, oven, spare tire kit, air conditioning, external shower, slide-out, TV, self-contained, awning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 272 VRK is 7,350 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.